What's going on, everybody? It's Gordon Xavier here today to support you in your evolutionary journey. I want to share with you something that, for me and for a lot of people that I've worked with, has been a major game changer in life. And that game changer is the ability to be authentic. And I want to talk about authenticity today. I think a lot of us in life, well, oftentimes, from society, from training, from social media, from our parents, right? We're trained not to be authentic. We're trained not to be ourselves. We're trained not to keep it real because sometimes being authentic and keeping it real is inappropriate, and it can be condemned and punished, right? And oftentimes this forms us and puts us in this box in which it's like, now I'm a good uniformed soldier in the military of society, right? I'm in the workforce and in corporate America, right? And oftentimes this leads to like the soul being drained and just like dampened. And now life isn't as colorful. Things are more dull. Relationships aren't as vibrant and alive and filled with fun and joy and love and passion. Life begins to lose all those things. And so today I want to share with you one way to become more authentic, to keep it more real, to get in touch with what's real, to get in touch with you, right? Because what else is there in life? What's the point of this thing? What's the point of being here if you aren't going to be here? What's the point of being a flesh suit and observing what this flesh suit has been programmed to do? What's the point of that, right? So my invitation is to let's begin to come into realness. Let's get you here, and let's get you here 100%. No more like partial presence. Let's be here 100%. And so one way to do this, it's a very simple thing, very simple form of communicating, very simple thing to do with yourself, is when there is a yes in your life, you make it clear that you mean yes. When you feel yes inside of you, then you say yes to that thing. It's very simple. It can be scary. It can be freaky. But when there's, say for example, I'm talking to the bros right now. Say for example, there's a girl over there that you really resonate with, you vibing with. Yeah, go say hi. Inside your heart screaming, yes, go say hi. But for some reason your mind is like, no, don't do that. Well, now you're mixing up your yeses and your nos, and now you're not being authentic. You're not letting what's in your heart and your soul to flow. And if you want to live a rich life, it's a good idea you let what's in your heart and soul flow. Well, if you want to live like a life that's like, it's all right, then yeah, keep on stifling that. So the key here for authenticity is to learn how and to have the guts to stop mixing up the yeses and the nos. If there's a job you're working and it's a clear no, I don't want to do this. Well, how can you support yourself in acting on that no? If it's a no, why do you keep living like it's a yes? That's a good way to shut down your heart, to shut down your soul, and to cut out the magic that comes with letting those flow. There's magic available to you for usage, but only if you let what's in your heart and your soul flow outside of you and into the world. Only if you get your yeses clear and your nos clear. When there's a no, it's a no. When there's a yes, there's a yes. And if you find yourself getting these two tangled up, Let's take a look at that. And let's figure out why. Oftentimes, the thing that tangles these two up is fear. And fear, I don't have to say much about fear. I'm sure you know what fear has done for you in your life. I know for me in my life, it hasn't been very supportive of the beauty. It's only been really supportive of the suffering. And so, yeah, being clear as to where is this no coming from? Is this no coming from fear? Well, that means it was really a yes, and I'm saying no out of fear right now. Is this no coming from a place of love? Oh, I love myself enough to say no to this. I quit my job earlier this year, and I loved myself and trusted myself and God, and I loved God and my gifts and my abilities enough to say no to this thing that was a no for me. And the fear that kept me saying yes to it for longer than I needed to. So, is it getting clear? Is this yes coming from a place of fear? Yeah, I'll do that for you. I'll do that extra work that's not mine at work. Is that yes coming from a place of fear, of judgment? Is that yes? Yeah, I'll do this thing for you, or yeah, I'll go out tonight. Is that coming from a place of fear, of not being liked? Or is the yes coming from a place of like love? Like, yes, I want to connect. Yes, I love to support you in doing that extra work. Yes, I like, where's the yes coming from? And so in getting clear on where the no is coming from and getting clear on where the yes is coming from changes the game and allows you to live more authentically and from a more empowered place. Getting clear on yes and no changes the game and invites a new level of authenticity into your life. And it invites a new level of empowerment and magic into your life. So I invite you today to get clear on what's a yes and what's a no for you. Much love.